Welcome to our new video that will discuss the signs of the hour in Islam. The signs of the hour are important events mentioned in the prophetic tradition and are considered indications of the imminent day of judgment. Let's discover some of these signs together. The first sign, the appearance of the Antichrist. One of the most prominent signs of the hour is the appearance of the Antichrist, who will emerge as a false leader claiming divinity. The Antichrist will perform wonders and sorcery to mislead people. The second sign, the descent of Jesus, son of Mary. Among the signs of the hour is the descent of Jesus, son of Mary. He will slay the Antichrist and lead people towards truth and justice. The third sign, the emergence of the beast. Among the signs of the hour is the emergence of the beast that will speak to warn people of evil and corruption. The fourth sign, the appearance of smoke. Among the signs of the hour is the appearance of dark smoke that will spread over the earth and cause harm to people. And so, these are some of the signs of the hour in Islam. We remind you that these signs indicate the nearness of the day of judgment, emphasizing the need for repentance and preparation. Thank you for watching, and we wish you safety and happiness. Goodbye.